Now that we have successfully set up our local environment, it's time for us to create our Laravel and React project. But for that, we have to enable zip extension in the XAMPP. So let's go to config, then click php.ini, and in here let's search for zip. Then we have to enable this extension by just removing the hash semicolon from this and saving it. Now let's start our Apache and MySQL. Then after that, we have to go to our C drive, XAMPP, then htdocs, and in here we have to open our terminals or CMD. And here we have to type composer, create project Laravel slash Laravel, and give it our project name. So let's call it student management. Let's press enter. Now it will download Laravel in our machine. So let's wait until the downloading is finished. Okay, so Laravel has been downloaded successfully. Now let's close this command. We don't need it, and open our student management in a VS Code. So let's open it in a VS Code. And in here, let's open the terminal. So let's open the terminal. In here, we want to install Laravel Breeze for authentication. So let's type composer require Laravel slash Breeze dash dash dev. Enter. Okay. Enter. Now this will download Laravel Breeze inside our student management project. So let's wait until the download is finished. Okay, so the download is finished. Let's clear our terminal. Now let's install Breeze in our project. So let's type php artisan Breeze colon install and press enter. Now it's asking us which Breeze stack we want to install. So we want to install React with Inertia. So let's type React, enter, and also we also want to in- install Inertia server side rendering. So let's type SSR and press enter again. And for the testing, we want paste. So for that, we will type 0 and enter. Now let's wait until the installation is finished. Okay, so the installation is finished. If we come to inside our composer.json, in here we can see now we have Inertia.js and also the Ziggy package. And if we go inside our route web.php, in here we have these new routes inside our web.php as well. Now, in the terminal, let's clear this. If we type composer run dev, it will run two commands. First, PHP artisan serve and npm run dev. It will run both of these commands. Now, our application is running, so we can see our application. So let's go to this URL. Now, as you can see, the application is running, so we can register and log in. So let's go and create a new account in here. So let's create a fake account, test@gmail.com. Give them a password as well, confirm password. Let's click register. Now we are inside our application. In here, we can see our dashboard, our profile, and also we can log out as well. So here as our profile, we can update our profile, our name, our email, we can update our password, and also we can delete our account. So all of them are provided to us by Laravel Breeze using React and Inertia.